Walkabouter's Guide to Australia, or whatever we end up calling this thing.
G'day, welcome back to the program. As you can see, we're in the wilderness. The isolated wilderness with a few noises around. We're actually in the Pacific Northwest of North America, I think. Have you ever seen the Patterson Gimlin Bigfoot film? Here's one that I tried to draw earlier. So we are here trying to spot Sasquatch, or at the very least, trying to hear Sasquatch. Oh, I know this looks bad, but I am trying to use this as a calling so we can hear the real Sasquatch. It's an emergency Bigfoot sounder. It sure is. Bigfoot, elusive animal, or hairy homeless lady? Maybe it is the bearded lady from like the freak circus days, and one of their trains derailed and she got left in the jungle or the woods. It's just a theory. I don't think it's working. At least I can still return it. Get my money back. Thanks for watching. Does Bigfoot really exist? Let me know down below. Or up above. Here's Sasquatch. Here's Sassy.